Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the iPad off and laying it on an anti-static surface. This prevents damage while you work. Warm the display edges with a heat source to soften adhesive, then use a suction cup and picks to lift the screen slowly. You want a controlled gap. Once you get a gap, insert a pick and slide it. Make sure to keep tension on the glass so it doesn't flex. As soon as the display loosens, lift just enough to access connectors and disconnect the battery to avoid any shorts. Once the battery is disconnected, unplug the digitizer and LCD connectors to fully free the display. Keep screws and brackets organized by location to avoid reassembly confusion. Next, locate the small metal bracket that secures the home button flex cable. Remove it carefully and lift the cable free. You'll then pry the home button assembly out of its seat using a nylon spudger. If the flex is torn or corroded, you'll see visible damage. If the button is just stuck, cleaning contacts can help, but replacement is usually required. You install the replacement home button by seating the flex cable precisely in its slot and replacing the metal bracket to secure it. Press the button to confirm a tactile click before reassembly. Once happy, reconnect the display and battery connectors, ensuring each connector sits flat and secure, then power the iPad on to test functionality. After confirming the button works, reapply fresh adhesive or a new seal and close the display. If Touch ID does not work afterward, remember the sensor is paired to the original board. Try troubleshooting, but expect fingerprint unlock loss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.